Well, the Supreme Court has spoken, and it is allowing President Trump's travel ban to take full effect immediately, while lower courts are still weighing in.
All right, Teresa Priolo live in the newsroom to break down what it all means. Teresa.
Steve, this order is significant, but it's a temporary win for the Trump administration, which has since day one tried to impose this travel ban. Today's order means that it can be enforced while the challenges brought by these individual states continue to snake through the legal system. It was one of the first moves Donald Trump made as 45th president of the United States. Now tonight, nearly 1 year after his inauguration, a major, albeit temporary, win. The Supreme Court staying a preliminary injunction in President Trump's latest travel ban, what some have referred to as Travel Ban 3.0, halting new visas and imposing travel restrictions on people from 6 Muslim-majority countries: Syria, Chad, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Yemen, as well as North Korea and Venezuela. The ruling, not the last time the High Court will consider this case, but it ensures Trump's executive order can take effect while the challenges to it in Hawaii and Maryland wind through the legal system. The justices said they expect the lower courts to rule quickly. In response, the White House said, quote, "We are not surprised by today's Supreme Court decision permitting immediate enforcement of the president's proclamation limiting travel from countries presenting heightened risks of terrorism. The proclamation is lawful and essential to protecting our homeland." But Albert Cahn with the Council on American Islamic Relations did appear surprised by today's decision.
This ruling is having a price. It's having a price on the Muslim women who are trying to bring their husbands to this country, men that they love and who are being blocked simply because of the faith that they practice. We have to understand that our neighbors are mourning tonight for the family they may never see again.
Still, CAIR and others, including the ACLU, are promising to continue their fight against what they believe is a discriminatory policy targeting people based solely on religion.
We know this is a Muslim ban because the president has continued to say it's a Muslim ban in his Twitter account and in his public statement. His own words prove the lie that his administration is putting forth, and we will not accept the argument that this is anything less than discriminatory.
The administration has appealed the decisions that were reached in the lower courts. Arguments on those portions of the ban will be heard this week. Now, if the appellate courts move quickly, the Supreme Court, Stephen Derry, could decide this issue by the end of this term, which would be the end of June. Back to both of you.
Very well. All right. Thank you, Teresa.